Joyful day to all of you. It's indeed a great pleasure meeting all of you through this recording. Growing is such a powerful aspect of human life, especially people who have got goals, people who have got organizations, people who are doing business, people who are in a profession or anywhere. Once you are growing, you feel so successful, so satisfied, so happy and so peaceful. That growing is the most powerful aspect, and that's how we have created a powerful knowledge on growth. A lot of people want to achieve their goal before growing it. Unless and until you don't know to grow your goal, it cannot be achieved. There are some powerful principles on the basis of which you learn to grow the goal before achieving it. Your external growth is totally determined by your intrinsic knowledge of growing the goal. There are principles, powerful principles. There are certain powerful aspects that you become expert with. A lot of people make their goal depend on external factors like market, economy, infrastructures, human resources, investments, funds, etc. and etc. But there is one powerful aspect of you, which is what is growing all your goals. And once you can tap it, once you know about it, and once you start leveraging that core aspect of you, you start growing the goal, and the goal starts, flowing to you very smoothly in your life. Many people are only talking about GDP of the country, GDP of the nation. But what is your GDP? Your GDP is growing desired productivity. If you are a productive personality, predictable productive personality, then you should know how to grow your desires of productivity, how to grow your goals. We are conducting a 360 minutes of webinar on this exclusive topic on growth, and so many people have demanded it for it because so many people who are following us, they know the value of growing and they know the principles that we have been imparting to them for last 2 decades. And that's why we have designed it. And it is also getting ready to being arranged in the physical building or area, and it is happening as a physical session also for a 1-day session. And if you got a desire to grow, and if you want to grow easily in your life, in your organizations, in your career, in your profession, get connected with us. Register to the free sessions, free webinar, know the more knowledge of it, and then we will meet up in the core session. Very nice talking to all of you. Let us enjoy growing and create a beautiful life that we desire. Nice talking to you. See you in the sessions.